Welcome. Let's continue our series on expected topics for environment for your new UGC NET paper 1. Now, as always, we have been constantly working on important topics, important questions, and here are some of those from environment. Now, Anthropocene is one of the terms which is really in news these days and has been really important. So, what is Anthropocene? It is a epoch under the geological time scale where we are seeing the impact of human activities on Earth. So, when we talk about global climate change, global warming, greenhouse gas effect, all of those being accentuated by the human interference, this Anthropocene system or the age becomes really important, as it would have profound impacts of human activities on geology or the earth or the planet, right? So here the correct answer would be 1, very important in light of the climate change and related activities. The next is, which of the following is one of the major concerns when we talk about electronic waste management in India? Now, electronic waste is one of the real concerns and growing concerns in India. During the pandemic, we have seen extremely high usage of electronic devices ranging from laptops, mobiles, computing devices, and so on. Now, this has a significant involvement of informal sector which requires unsafe recycling practices. One of the major concerns is because this electronic waste has some of the very important elements which are really dangerous to human health. For example, cadmium, lithium, which are used in the batteries, the rare earth elements which have a lasting impact. And if our unorganized sector or informal sector is engaged with e-waste, which is actually not segregated at source in India, this could create serious problems which could be detrimental to human health, right? So this becomes one of the major concerns. Of course, you can say that there are issues with awareness, the lack of proper management, but those are not that big concern as this is. The next is the idea of One Health. Now, this One Health is an approach that we recognize as a planet where we focus on not only the health of human beings, but we also talk about the health of animals, the health of environment, where we say climate change is affecting the environment, and therefore this One Health concept talks about interconnectedness. So very important. The next is, which of the following is a contemporary challenge which relates to climate change adaptations in coastal areas, specifically to India? Now, e-waste, again we were targeting to India. Now, this again, when we are talking about climate change and its impact on coastal areas, we are targeting to India. Now, what would happen? The sea levels would rise, there would be higher salinity, there would be erosion from the coastal area, ultimately affecting the population which is residing on the coastal belt. So rehabilitation of this population, or we could say, would be a concern, right? So displacement at this point is one of the major issues. So displacement of community because of the rising sea levels, rising storm surge, rising salinity, erosion of the coastal areas, intrusion of salt water, all of this affecting the people residing in the coastal vicinities. So C becomes the most appropriate option here. The next is life movement. Now, this is a very important lifestyle for environment as it has been popularized. So the idea is to encourage human beings and communities for environmental protection. Now, how it can go? Rather than using plastic bags, use tote bags. So that is one such simple way in which we can say. Going for yoga, going for meditation is one such way under which we say this is lifestyle for environment, where we are seeking practices for sustainable environment, sustainable practices that could help us grow, right? So B becomes the correct option here. So those were some of the questions that we have discussed from environment section, which are really contemporary news and have been important. Now, these contemporary sections are really important and scoring for your NET paper 1. To get a more insight into the paper 1 and its preparation, you can refer the set of practice books which is available here. Also, you can go through the series of lectures, notes and past year papers. We have a compilation of nearly 6,000 questions based on past year papers, including nearly last 10 papers, last 10 years papers, which is around 20 sets and more. So practice well, prepare well, identify your weak areas and focus and grow more on that. Of course, we'll be covering our series on questions here, so don't miss those. Have a great day.